Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know that we've all tried to cook burgers, and from my own personal experience, I've done it a lot of times, but for whatever reason just haven't ended up with a consistent result. I've even flipped a patty once so many times that it started to turn a weird kind of green color. Now, naturally, with all the campaigns for big businesses like McDonald's, Burger King, etc., where they unveil different kinds of color of burger and bun, I can no longer find what an overflipped green burger looks like, but let me assure you it is the least appetizing thing you're ever gonna see on your plate. Happily, I have gotten a way to make it perfectly every time, so let's just get right onto it. Ingredients: 2.5 pounds of ground beef, salt and pepper to taste, an optional onion for what amounts to a garnish, and 1 clove of garlic. Start preparing your onion as normal, but this time just cut off a couple slices. Make sure your knife is sharp enough or it is very likely to slip and hurt you here. Pull the outer skin off and set them aside while we prepare the garlic. Give the garlic a good smash and cut it reasonably finely. You'll need to spread it onto 4 patties, so judge how small and well you cut it based on how much you do or don't like garlic. Get a handful of that ground beef lump and take it to the ground, or maybe just the cutting board because you are planning to eat this, right? Exercise your hidden ninja karate skills and slice the meat into 4 equal or unequal parts with your bare knife hands. Once they've been separated into the number of patties you need, press them flat. We're going to pat the garlic onto one side of the patty before seasoning that same side with our salt and pepper. If you like other spices on your burger, now is the optimal time to place them as it will have the longest opportunity to flavor every bite. Get 2 pans with hot oil and place your onion slices in one and 1 to 2 patties in the other. Remember that conversation we had about pan crowding? It applies now and always. Your onion slices, like teenagers, may give you attitude. Just ignore their crap because they're full of it, as always. When cooking your patties, you can start with the spiced or unspiced side down. It may be better to start with the spiced side down because you can then flavor the other side before it cooks, but I have tried it both ways and haven't really noticed much of a difference. They'll need to cook for around 15 to 20 minutes for both sides on a heat of about 70%. Remember, higher heat does not equal a faster or better cooking result. Keep an eye on those rascals. I see you over there acting all innocent, you oniony. This is how to tell that your meat is cooking properly. The grayish brown will creep up the side of your patty, and when it reaches the halfway point, you can decide whether or not you want to flip it. Advantages to flipping early is that the burger will be done faster and it will be slightly less cooked if you like your meat more rare. Advantages to leaving it is you're gonna get those nice, dark, but not quite burned bits, normal people call this charring, that pack a flavorful punch. Since I didn't flavor the side currently cooking, I have opted to flip them early, season the other side, and let it cook a little longer. If you want to pretend you're a professional cartoon chef, you can press down on the patty like you see characters do in some television shows. This can help accelerate the rate at which the patty cooks, but it is at the cost of losing some of the inside juices, which can really maximize your flavor. When the 20 minutes have elapsed, you can cut into one subtly with a knife to check how done it is, but if you followed my instructions to a T, you can just place it on your buns, or in my case, makeshift buns made with pieces of toasted bread, and you're ready to eat. Make sure not to leave those delicious onion slices on the sidelines, as they play very well with the garlic and the rest of the burger. Obviously, if you don't want to cook the slices, you can just leave them raw until the end and then slap them on top of your finished burger. To each their own. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment below if there's anything you'd like to add or critique. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can see when I post new stuff. I'll see you guys in my next video.